BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner and the Weber Spirit E-310. What do you think?
Let's see. The Nexgrill is definitely cheaper, around $265 compared to Weber's $450. Big difference right off the bat.
Yeah, price is a factor. But what about the guts? The Nexgrill has 28,000 BTUs of cooking power. How does that stack up?
The Weber doesn't explicitly state a BTU number, but it has 3 burners compared to Nexgrill's 2. And it looks like the Weber has about 360 square inches of cooking space versus the Nexgrill's 401.
So Nexgrill is a little bigger cooking surface, but Weber has that third burner. I wonder if that means more even heating.
Possibly. Weber boasts about precise and consistent heat. Plus, their flavorizer bars are designed to boost the grilled flavor and prevent flare-ups. That sounds pretty swanky. And the grates are porcelain enameled cast iron, which Weber claims are easy to clean.
Okay, the Nexgrill has porcelain-coated cast iron grates too, so that sounds similar. But what about features? The Nexgrill mentions foldable side tables for easy storage. That's nice for my small patio.
The Weber has side tables too, made of hammer-tone metal. More importantly, it has this Weber work system where you can snap on accessories, which is interesting. Also, a cabinet with a door to hide the propane tank. That's a nice touch.
Accessories could be cool. What I do not like is that the Weber only has a 3.8 rating with 5 reviews. That's really low. Nexgrill has a 4.3 rating with 360 reviews. That's something to consider.
Good point. Sample size is important. Weber does have a 10-year limited warranty, which is reassuring.
Okay, so Nexgrill is cheaper, slightly larger cooking area, and better rated. Weber has the third burner, accessory system, and a longer warranty. I guess it depends on what I value more. Is that extra burner and warranty worth almost double the price?
Exactly. Think about how often you grill, what you grill, and what features you'd actually use. That should help you decide.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.